ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. Moderator Commissionary for Karnataka Northern Diocese for 7 years, Bishop of Central Diocese of South India, Bishop Reverend Dr. Prasanna Kumar ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ನಮಗೂ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಹಂಚಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
His grace, most reverend Peter, that they will be able to be considerate towards the minorities here in the city of Bangalore and in Karnataka, so that our voices would be heard and they will be able to listen to the cry of the people. And very especially, every church invariably has been praying for the governors, praying for the chief ministers, and praying for the presidents and the prime ministers of our country. And that's the reason why our country has been going on smoothly. And today there is a disturbance that is coming about when the 13th December, when they are going to meet for the winter session. May God give them the wisdom and the discretion that is required. And this is a peace-loving community. This is a community which has always kept the law within themselves. And this is a community which has not gone out of its compound walls or premises in order to claim the rights. It is a community which is a law-abiding community. It is a community which has always paid its taxes in time. And it is a community which has always cooperated with any of the people who come to power. If this is a community, what is the respect that the government of Karnataka is showing to this community? We join with all the other minorities this evening, willing to go the extra mile and tell the government and tell the people in authority, we do really matter. They need to take us, and they cannot take us for granted. May this solidarity meeting this evening and the other meetings elsewhere have shown the government of Karnataka who we are. And may that spirit of unity and understanding go a long way in the ministry of our own individual institutions or the churches, so that we'll be able to uphold these ministers in power, that God would give them the discretion, so that in the winter session this may not take place. Even if that takes place, it may not be in that speed with which people have been talking. May God give them the understanding. Continue to pray for the leaders of this land and continue to do the good work that God has begun in you, and He will help you to complete the task that God has given to us. Thank you for this opportunity, and I'm sure your own cooperation, your prayers, that extra mile that you go, and very especially during this Advent season, Jesus Christ journeying from the heavens to the earth. From deity He became humanity. From spirit He became flesh, reminding us He is one with us. He is with us in our journey. He is with us in our struggles. He is with us in everything that we do. May that child which changed the history of humanity bring the changes before Christmas, so that there will be peace, there will be happiness, there will be reconciliation, there will be oneness, there will be togetherness of all communities, so that we'll be able to say, here in Karnataka, we minorities are safe in the hands of the authorities. God bless you, and thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you so much, Bishop Reverend Dr. Prasanna Kumar Samuel.